The National Commissioner and Chief Executive Officer of the Nigeria Data Protection Commission, Vincent Olatunji, has called on stakeholders in the ecosystem to put in more efforts to ensuring the message of the Commission gets to the grassroots. This call was made during a meeting with data protection compliance officers in Lagos. TVC News senior reporter Theophilus Ilama reports.
These are stakeholders in the data protection ecosystem gathered at the behest of the Nigeria Data Protection Commission, NDPC. These stakeholders are called Data Protection Compliance Officers, registered to help promote its objectives and propagate the principles of data protection. The Nigerian Data Protection Commission had issued a code of conduct for data protection compliance organizations, DPCOs, in Nigeria towards its enforcement drive. This is to ensure professionalism among firms that are licensed to carry out compliance as a service.
We speak, we have about 491 registered DPCOs with us. So on regular basis, we evaluate them. Last year, we actually revoked about 19 licenses based on the quality of work they did. This year again, we are at the point of reviewing the quality of work, the number of audit filing, and whatever they are bringing to the table, implementing data privacy law in the country. So we are telling them here today that we are properly evaluating their work, their activities, and how for them to further strengthen the ecosystem.
A good number of the stakeholders within the ecosystem are even yet to understand what the law is saying and the roles and responsibilities they are supposed to play.
Compliance and registration is at the heart of this discussion. Stakeholders believe compliance will aid the government's drive to protect data.
So when there are breaches, we invite them to park. After proper evaluation, we look at the impact of the breach, the number of data subjects are affected, the sensitivity of the breach. These are things we are looking at. If they are not too major, what we do is to take them through compliance, and part of taking them through compliance is to pay their reputation fee.
If you know the level of publicity that we have had, if you measure that with the compliance level, you just find out that it's a very far cry. So we are calling between now and the end of June. We expect that the timeline set by the Commission would have come to an end.
By promoting awareness, conducting audits, ensuring compliance and enhancing capacity building initiatives, DPCOs contribute to safeguarding individuals' privacy rights, fostering trust and confidence in the digital space, and upholding legal and ethical standards in the data protection and privacy ecosystem. Theophilus Ilama, TVC News, Lagos.